We'll guide you through how to add story highlights on Facebook. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. When you go and add and post a story on Facebook, it's only going to be on your account for 24 hours. After that, it goes and expires and it's no longer there. However, you may want to go and remain on your profile. That is the great thing about highlights, is we can then go and put our favorite stories on our profile. So we're going to guide you through this step by step and how you can do it. You can go and choose them and put them into different categories and different highlights as well. You can have multiple. So make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip anything. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part. So to go and get started, come to your profile. Press the profile button in the bottom right. On some devices, it'll be the top right. So when you go and scroll down, this is where your highlights are going to go and appear. Perhaps you went and pressed on edit profile. You can't go and see any option for highlights here. Perhaps you went and pressed create and you don't see an option for highlight there as well. What you need to do though, is you need to go and head to the top right of Facebook. You see a pen or pencil icon, 3 dots and a search magnifying glass. Press the 3 dots to open up profile settings. And then what you want to do is go and find the option for add highlights, that second option below follow settings. This will open up and at the top we can see our stories. Press see all in the top right and you can start selecting the stories you want to do this with. So I'll just go and select these two and then you can go and press back like so. And you've now got them selected and you want to press next in the top right. So what you can then do is you can go and choose the cover, press the camera image at the top to go and choose the cover. And you can go and actually take a photo right now in the bottom left as well if you wanted to. Press use. Add a title. I can name this holiday. Press done. You can add more if you want. And then you can go and press done in the top right. Now I'll just go and refresh here to make sure it updates. Now we go and drag down. We can go and see our highlights here. As you can see, we've got the holiday. You can press new highlight and you can go and start adding more. If you want to go down a different category, like I could add this and have like a GuideRealm highlight as well. You go and get the idea. Then I come back and I'll refresh and it'll then go and be added. That's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video for more. I look forward to helping you again.